All right, so this is time sensitive, I'm told, but I just got a big old box from Maverick Lacrosse, Exeter, New Hampshire. This was completely unexpected, so I have a feeling, considering what some of their social media has been putting out, that this is something for the new Optik Force, as a guess. But the fact that this is so big is, I'm a little worried. Okay. Oh shit! Should I not have flipped it over? Hi Lars. Inside the locker is a revolutionary head about to hit the field, and we're stoked for you to be one of the 15 to receive it first. But in order to access the locker, you need to follow these instructions. 1, set up your camera. You'll want to share the full unboxing later on with your fans. To crack the lock, you'll need to know the Boston Cannon's Asher Knowlton's jersey number and put it in twice. Hint, check out your locker number. Still stuck? Flip this card over. Okay, I flipped it over, and we'll just go with it. Unlock your next level of play with your new offensive head. Goalies be warned. Share your unboxing and review on November 7th, and don't forget to do that. Tag Maverick Lacrosse. String it up and let it rip. Okay, so I've gotten a couple of these before. I'm very, very grateful. I've gotten a couple of nice, plastic, like Pelican cases. This is wild. I'm not going to be able to reuse this in the same way that I reuse Pelican cases, but this is definitely going somewhere. So let's see if I can get this. So old 32. You're seeing this first. I'm not. Oh, it is. Make your own nameplate with an Asher Knowlton card. That is sick. This is awesome. So I saw. This isn't cheating. Maverick did put a bunch of these up on their socials of these like limited edition splatter paint Optik Force, and oh my lord. Well, I'll say it probably 100 times. Maverick, thank you for the head. Thank you for thanking of me, and thank you for the locker, because this is awesome, and this will absolutely go into the dojo. This is an incredible idea. Oh my god, I didn't realize. Oh, I wish I had seen the light. There is a light. Where did the head go? They put a magnetized light on the roof of the locker. This is such an Optik. I love that there's this little, I think, 3D printed thing. You can't see it from the camera, but the reason why we have ball stops is because way, 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 way back in the day, there was a hole in the top of the head. And then that went away, and somebody really smart realized that a ball stop is a great marketing opportunity. Well, looks like There's no name for Maverick there, but Maverick found a way to create a ball stop that's unique, because I've never seen anyone do a 3D hollow printed ball stop before. But there's definitely, they probably found out that you don't need to have plastic there anymore. But I am very pleasantly surprised with how stiff this head is. And this thing is gorgeous. Perfect for high pockets, no matter what anybody tells you. One of the best pockets, one of the best heads for high pockets. Asher doesn't play with the highest thing, but there's some guy named Mac O'Keefe who plays with a pretty high pocket, which would go perfect with this. But Maverick, thank you so much. This is absolutely awesome. Pockets and pics and videos and reviews coming. Thank you.